Hello there. It's now Tuesday, December 12th, 2017. It's freaking cold out here. But I saw a bit of blue popping up, and I thought I might be able to get the moon. It's about 27% in the southwest, but I can't see it. And it's not really blue, it's more of gray blue up there. But, oh wow. I might be able to take a look at the sun. I haven't been following it much lately, so I don't believe there's any sunspots up there. Oh my goodness, I really can't see. I can't even tell if this is in focus or not. But yeah, there's oh my gosh, it's better cold out here. It's about 23 degrees, but that wind is just freaking cold. There's only about an inch on the ground, so not much. But doggone it. Well, that's gonna do it. I'm